Hello, back at it again. So, since the last video, I have been working my tail off, which has only really been about a day or two. But late nights, there's just so many little things that have to be done. And I guess the best, I think I'm a productive kind of person, but give me a deadline and that makes me a lot more productive. So I called in an inspection, and so that means I had to be done. And so I stayed up last night pretty late into the wee hours of the morning. Then I got up early and went to get my wood for the decking. You know, a funny thing I just want to say, I ordered, I did the online order because to me it's pretty easy. You just do the online order, and when you get around, you get over there and they just throw it on your trailer with a forklift. It's pretty easy, like especially for big things like wood and stuff like that. And I got an email about an hour after I placed my order, and it said it was canceled. So I called and I said, "Why is my order canceled?" The lady said, "Oh, it's just because we're short-staffed, but I saved the ticket. I'm gonna still pull the order, don't worry about it." But I looked at my bank and I noticed it was refunded also. So I was like, So I worked through the day. About 5 o'clock in the evening, I called and I said, "Hey, how's my order coming along?" Because it depends on which store. I mean, I'm far away from all the stores, so my drive's either 45 minutes or 30 minutes. I just need to know which store I'm going to. So this was the further store because I was trying to incorporate picking it up with dropping off that scissor lift that I had. So they said, "I don't know anything about the order. No one ever told me anything about the order." Long story short, I ordered it from the other place that was closer. And I'm glad I did because it worked out good. They pulled the order last night, had it ready for me by the first thing this morning. They opened at 6, so I was down there just shortly after that. And I got the order. So happy about that. So the inspection came. I think everything worked out pretty good. I never thought I would pass it 100%. Because, as I have said, I'm not a professional. But for the most part, everything passed. Just little tiny minor things. A couple things. On these metal boxes, which you have to have when you have the MC cable, the metal boxes just need to be your ground screw. You need to be grounded on the box itself. Little things. So I have like 3 boxes here. Actually, I have a couple boxes that need that, no problem. My fridge, I have this with the 14.2. That's going on its own 15 amp circuit. That's fine. I didn't know, and I've done a lot of research for this, but I didn't know that in the kitchen, your GFIs, I know these had to be GFI protected, but you need 2 circuits to your kitchen with GFIs. I didn't realize that. So I have them all on one. So I gotta home run another one and just get that into the panel. Also, where I took some notes here, you probably can't even read that, chicken scratch. So, and you need to have an outlet every 2 feet. Excuse me, every 4 feet, because most appliance cords are 2 feet. Yeah, so if it's like, I don't know, one end, anyway, so it could reach it. So, whatever. So it should be every 2 feet. I think it's every 2 feet. Anyway, I could be wrong. So, what was the other thing I had to do? Oh yeah, so if your counter is over 12 inches wide, you have to have an outlet on it. So I'm gonna have a little piece of counter over here, I believe. And so I have to put an outlet over there. So, oh well, I'll add it. What else? The box was fine. You didn't say anything about the box. Luckily, I have enough room to throw in a few more circuits. There's 2 for sure that I have to put in. And then the other thing, another thing was these fan boxes. I thought these were fan boxes, but he said they're not. And the main reason is because with the weight of the fan shaking around, it can actually strip the screws out of those boxes there. So I need to get a fan ready box. No biggie, 2 of those. And then here in the bathroom, I need to run my GFI off of this 12-2 wire, but it needs to be on its own circuit. So what I might do is tap in that GFI off, let's say, I'm gonna have to have an outlet here in the kitchen, so I'll probably tap this one into this and then home run that over there. That's what I might do. So, of course I have to get this vented outside. That's not a problem at all. But everything else he said was good. I water tested it, I pressure tested it this morning. Beautiful, no leaks. He actually had no comments about my plumbing, so plumbing was pretty good. So happy about that. So really it's just minor things. So anyway, I called the spray foam guy. I said, hey, I kind of passed inspection, just a couple things I got to work on, and I'm ready for tomorrow. And he said, I'll be there. So he's coming tomorrow, and we'll get this place spray foamed. So there will be no more echo, and hopefully it'll be a little cooler. And then that's why I have to get all this subflooring down up there, and then this wall right here sheetrocked. So got to get that done today. I also need a front door. This thing is like a thorn in my side, getting this front door thing done. Oh, and I also have to get one more outlet. You're supposed to have an outlet in the front and in the back of the house. I did put one in the lean-to. He said that would count for the one in the back. So I just need another one. And he said, I'm doing the mini split for air conditioning. He said for that, I need to make sure that I have an outlet, I forget how far, 10, 20 feet, something like that, that close to it. So not a problem. I think I'll probably put it on that side over there, because I don't want it in the front. So it'll probably be on this side here. And I'll just, when I plumb that one, excuse me, when I plumb it, when I rough it out, whatever I'm going to do with it, it'll serve for my outlet outside plus my mini split. So there you go, 2 for 1. So he was real nice. He's a nice guy. He gives me a lot of pointers and stuff, things I could maybe improve upon and such. So it's nice. I've heard a lot of other inspectors aren't like that. They just say pass or fail, and they don't really tell you too much. But I have to say the ones I've ran into have been very nice. So anyway, I'm gonna get started getting this stuff up here. I hope I don't fall. Anyway, I'll let y'all watch me. All right, I gotta offload some of this before the hydraulics leak down. I don't like the dogs underneath there. Wish me luck. No, go. Go. cooler down here. If you look bored down here, I'll take you up there. And of course, this is where the audio goes out again. So I'll just run you through this real fast on installing flooring up here. Haha. Simple as that. I'll speed this up. Hope you enjoy it.